why is it not just enough to say, okay, digestion's important, so here's the food that you need to eat, and here's how you're going to digest better, and go off on your way. These are the laws of the human body. You'd think that would be the solution here, right? But the reality is that we are human beings, meaning that we are not just physical. And so there's other factors that actually interact with our ability to digest. And these things are not just considerations, lifestyle considerations. They are intrinsic to our capacity to have functioning digestion and therefore functioning repair and expression of our physiology, of our physical biology. Okay. So the things that get in the way are the things that we can't see. So it's not just the food on your plate, but it's these weaknesses that we might have internally that can generate patterns that make it difficult for us to digest. And so for the purposes of this chapter that we're talking about, I want to draw some light and some awareness to that deepest part of ourselves that is probably impacting our food choices as well as our capacity for digestion. And this is the realm of what we call the prenatal or the genes. But Chinese medicine have a deeper understanding of the genes than I think we have yet to really fully develop in the Western model. And that is that our genetic expression is not just about the signaling of, different biochemical effects, but it's also about our life path, okay? Our genetics is really about our life destiny, our endowment. So that can be, what did you come in with, right? So that's everything from the genes of your parents, and did they endow you with specific patterns in your body, or maybe habits of thinking or believing certain things. And we know that these things are passed down, and even Western medicine is seeing these links between like different ancestral traumas and different gene expressions. And it's great to make these links, but what do we do about it? And so Chinese medicine has a really beautiful map to help us understand this in a much more practical way than making it seem that we are just victim to the stuff that we came in with. So all that to say, if you have genetic weaknesses, if diabetes runs in your family, if gut issues run in your family, even if trauma runs in your family, even if you have food cravings since childhood or a relationship with food that you haven't been able to shift, and even if you went through some really substantial adverse experiences, either in your younger years or really at any point of your life, that have really just disrupted your body's health at any level, Chinese medicine shows us that, yes, this is stored in the physical body, and this is going to directly impact your ability to digest, your ability to receive nourishment, your capacity to absorb life. And when we bring awareness and circulation to the specific constitutional regions in the body that hold these stored patterns, we have a capacity to completely renew that down to the cellular level.